Connor here, Sea Isle City, New Jersey. I don't like to admit it's New Jersey, but it is. Just taking a little bike ride. Taking a little video while I'm riding my bike. You might not be able to hear me, you might. Who knows, it's a bit windy, so. But I'm gonna go now. Hi-Ho Silver, we're taking a ride down to 85th to take some pictures. So, whatever happens, happens. So, I guess that's it. I'll make sure no cars are coming, which there ain't. And, I guess this is it. So, I'll say goodbye. Ta-ta for now, as Tigger always said. Bye.